Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common question that many of you have been asking: how to make specific text bold in the output of your Telegram bot. If you've ever built a Telegram bot, you know how important it is to format your messages correctly. Bold text can help draw attention to crucial information, making it easier for users to quickly understand the content. In this video, we'll explore the steps involved in making specific text bold in your Telegram bot's output. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to achieve this and take your bot's messaging capabilities to the next level. To make specific text bold in your Telegram bot's output, we need to understand how Telegram handles formatting. Telegram uses Markdown syntax to format messages. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that allows you to create formatted text using plain text syntax. To make text bold, we'll use the double asterisk symbol before and after the text we want to make bold. Let's break down the process step by step. First, identify the specific text you want to make bold in your message. This could be a keyword, a phrase, or even a sentence. Once you've identified the text, surround it with double asterisks on either side. For example, if we want to make the word important bold, we would format it as important. When Telegram receives this formatted text, it will render it as bold in the message output. This means that when users receive your bot's messages, they'll see the specified text highlighted in bold. Now let's consider a scenario where you want to make multiple words or phrases bold within the same message. You can apply the double asterisk formatting to each piece of text individually. For example, if we want to make both important and urgent bold, our formatted text would look like this: important and urgent. Telegram will render each of these separately as bold in the final message output. To summarize, making specific text bold in your Telegram bot's output involves: 1. Identifying the text you want to make bold. 2. Surrounding the text with double asterisks on either side. 3. Ensuring that each piece of text is formatted individually if you need multiple bold elements. By following these simple steps, you can effectively draw attention to important information in your bot's messages and enhance user engagement. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this explanation has helped you understand how to make specific text bold in your Telegram bot's output. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the steps, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on building and optimizing your Telegram bot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.